let's talk about Bini, rice, and Filipino snacks, which is now trending. Before we watch and react to the video, mag-opinion ka muna. Magbigay ka muna ng opinion.
What's my opinion about the Bini group being called pretentious for eating street foods? People are saying they don't seem very Filipino because of it, diba?
Yeah.
Para for me, personal taste and preferences kasi yung street food offers a wide range of tastes and textures. Someone might be picky due to personal preferences or allergies. Being maarte could simply mean avoiding foods they dislike. Importante na dapat yung pagiging maarte, alam ng tao, is just an interpretation. Understanding the context and reason is more important than labeling someone. Tsaka respecting personal preferences and concerns is crucial in interacting with others. And those who say that women are maarte about eating street food. Ito tanong, would they eat all kinds of street food? Of course, they also choose what they want to eat. Not everyone likes all street foods, diba? Parang tayo, ikaw, hindi naman lahat kakainin mo. Maarte ka din. Diba? Mas maarte ka pa nga. How about you?
Yeah. For me, people have different tastes. What's good for you might not be good for them, and that's okay. If they give some snack na mababa, maybe it's just because they didn't grow up eating them. But they never said, don't eat this or this is bad. They even pick some snack we actually enjoy, so that's a win. Yung quick-quick. Diba?
Yeah.
And honestly, at least they were truthful. If they said everything was delicious, people would call them fake anyway. Kung ginawa nila lahat yung snack na yun, 10, i-rate nila. Diba?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so which do you want, fake or real? At least, here we know what they really think. That's more genuine. Kasi,
Yeah.
diba?
Yeah.
Yun yung nagustuhan nila eh. And I'm not taking sides here. But in this industry, people will always find something to criticize. No matter what you do, someone's going to talk, but their rating's totally fine. They weren't disrespectful, just honest. At the end of the day, it's food. Everyone has their own taste. So, mag-relax lang ang lahat. And enjoy ang snacks. Kung ano yung gusto, yun. Ngayon, let's watch the video na yun talaga papanood. Let's watch the video.
Last.
Ano?
Therefore, we, shouldn't be quick to judge. Diba?
Yeah.
Play ko na nga yung video. Baka ko sa time up.
The video na papanoorin natin ay ang Bini Out of My Head, Biniverse World Tour San Francisco Phantom. Shout out to Inta.
Linaw nung video. Malinaw talaga siya.
Oh, gusto ko yung magaganda na video, malilinaw. Wow, gusto ko yung pants ni Sheena. Relax lang sila dito sa stage. Naglalakad-lakad lang muna sila.
Gusto ko yung fit ni Joanna.
Yes, Joanna even has bangs now.
Oh, oo nga.
Bagay sa kanya.
Yeah.
Unique ang mga fits nila, no? I always love how they style themselves. They are really amazing at putting their looks together.
Oh. Yeah.
Aya's rapping. I've already heard Out of My Head before. But the dance, first time ko ma-watch dito sa
Concert niya.
concert niya.
Saan ba concert yan?
San Francisco.
Nandiyan ang SB19, San Francisco. May
At
concert
gusto ko
sila.
talaga yung song na Out of My Head.
Why?
Oo. Basta gusto ko kasi pang party siya.
Oo.
To fall in love. Diba? Catchy. Oh. Ang ganda. May dance step sila doon. I really like that. Their dance is so cute.
Yeah.
And ganda talaga ng fit ni Joanna. May ganun siya, no? Combi ng red and may stripe
Parang
din.
siyang school. School uniform.
Their
College.
stage performance here is really amazing. Even though they're just walking around, di ba, kanina? They look
Yeah.
so fierce din and so cool, so confident. Mika.
I like her feet too.
Colette.
Baboxing na si Colette.
Boxer short. Tama ba yung sinabi ko? Oh, look at Joanna's face. She's really so immersed in the song.
Yeah.
And their stage performance here is like, they never get tired, right? You get to the real life performing here. You can see how much they're enjoying it and they're smiling. And Colette and Maloy. I love this dance.
Yeah, me too.
Wow.
Maingay yung aso. Malinaw ng camera. Pero hindi kita si Maloy. Oh. Wow. Slay.
It's time to give a overall thought on this performance. So you go first and I'll go.
Me first. Sige, umupo ka muna.
Okay, sorry. Excuse me po. And don't forget to give your rating for this performance from 1 to 10.
Okay. Kahit na nagsasayaw sila, you can still hear the live quality of their vocals. I can say that this group has truly improved their performance. It's very obvious that they enjoying what they're doing. Okay, let's talk about their vocals. Unahin ko si Mika. Yung voice niya is deep and stable. Ang next na kumanta, si Sheena. Si Sheena has a sweet voice. Her voice can still improve. Mababago pa yan. Pwede pang mabago yan. Kasi nag-umpisa pa lang sila. Colette has a strong voice. I like that. And it's stable too. Gwen also has a sweet voice. Ang tangkad niya. And Joanna's voice is really high in the chorus parts. And that range suits her well. Si Maloy also has a sweet and high-pitched voice. Si Aya, yung voice niya is angelic. Just from her voice, I can tell she's a sweet person to be around. And Aya is a good rapper. Next is Stacy. Yung rap niya is awesome. I really like the part where she said, brah, brah. Narinig mo yun?
Yes.
I also love the blending of Colette and Joanna's voices. Especially yung part na yung where Colette did the second voice to Joanna. Narinig mo yun? Colette's voice was so deep and full there. I thought she was only a belter. But it turns out she can also handle lower notes beautifully. Their choreography is perfect for a party. It's so cute. It makes you want to dance right away. And you can tell a lot of thought when into the moves. Ito na. I'm going to give a rating from 1 to 10. I'll give it a 10. Perfect 10.
Para sa akin, their outfits sobrang unique and stylish. As in, chinos pants na gustuhan ko. Grabe, ang lakas niya maka-stand out. And even with the bright lights sa likod, di ba? Makulay kasi sila. You can still see everything clearly. Then their stage presence, ang angas. Like, kahit they're just walking and waving, parang first pa rin. Tapos, biglang may pa-dance, super cute and fun. And you can really see na they're enjoying it. Si Joanna, was so into the song. Mika and Colette were smiling the whole time. And si Aya, Gwen, at ang ganda sobra. And yung blocking nila, they started in the center tapos they ended na naka-line up na ang linis. Like, sila yung pero ang powerful. The vibe, yung energy ng song, ang dance, lahat perfect. So, for me guys, I'll give this performance a solid 10 out of 10. Talagang nagustuhan ko.